guys, it's Valerie here, so welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a summer lookbook. As you guys can see, I mean, that's just what it is, you know. The title's gonna say it, and as you see the clothes, so that's what it is. So I have a lot of cute outfits because, you know, it's summertime, so it's gonna be really hot. So even though it's hot outside, I want to make sure that I'm cute, I'm sexy, and I'm comfortable, and the clothes aren't too heavy. It's the right fabric, and it's really airy, so you're nice and comfortable and dry. So my mom and I picked out these outfits, and I'm going to show you guys. And if you're interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, this cute little skirt, my mother purchased it for me at some boutique. I don't even remember. But these shoes I got from Marshall's. They were like $25. They're cute Steve Madden sandals. You guys are going to be in love. But be careful with Marshall's because you got to go in the morning because you're not going to find anything by the afternoon. And this top, this cute black top, it's like a crop top, black top. It was only $5 at Marshall's. And I love the crop top, black top so much. Like, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you see that that's all I wear to the gym because they're super cute. And I really do just love this look. It's nice and airy, and air flows literally everywhere, so you won't be hot anywhere. I'm being so bluntly honest. Okay, so this second look, I actually got this dress from Marshall's. It was like $25. My mom actually purchased it for me because I was just in love with it. It reminds me of, like, I don't know, back in the day outfit wear. And also my grandma used to wear dresses like this going to church when she used to pick us up, and I was always in love with them. Also, these sandals are just Jessica Simpson sandals that my mom got for me at Marshall's. They were $25. So in total, this outfit is literally like $50. And it's super cute, super nice, and super sexy at the same time. It depends how you wear it, honestly. And then I found these blue earrings that I got from Five Below, and I just thought it completed the look. Maybe I should have had blue lipstick as well, but maybe that's pushing it. I don't know. I think it's cute just like that. One thing about this dress is that it's super flowy, and even if it's windy outside, it won't ride up or go up or anything against the wind. Actually, the wind will be your best friend because when that wind hits, all everywhere gets some air, girl. So get that air, girl. Okay, so this third outfit, honey, guys, literally, the sandals my mom got for me at DSW, I think it was like $70. They were kind of expensive, but it was worth it. They're super cute and super comfortable. The skirt I got from Burlington, nope, I'm lying. The skirt I got from Marshall's, and the top I also got from Marshall's. And guys, the top is super flowy, so if you guys are going out somewhere to eat, like if you're going out with your boyfriend to eat, this is a perfect outfit because as you're getting your food, baby, he won't even notice. You're welcome, literally. Like, this is the perfect outfit. And girls, you just want to make sure that when you're wearing your outfits, you're super comfortable in them because you want to make sure if it's time to run, your ass can run. If it's time to fly, your ass can fly. And if it's time to skip, your ass can skip too. You know what I mean? So this is that perfect outfit. I just want to point out that this chain I wear in literally every single video. My mom gave me this chain ever since I was little, and I love it so much. I've had it for such a long time, and it's not going anywhere. So this last and final outfit, guys, love it. The shoes are still from DSW. It's the same shoes from the last clip. And I just love this outfit so much because the pants, I think they were like $16 or $17. And the top was like $10 or $12. I don't remember. But this outfit is super cute and super sexy at the same time because the pants fit and they're nice and tight around the butt area, so it complements the butt if you don't have one, but I have one, I think. I don't know, whatever. And also, if you're on your period, guys, this is the perfect outfit as well, because you just want to wear pants, you know what I mean? And then this outfit is perfect if something happens and you're on the run, you can just run. But that's basically the look. Thank you guys for watching my lookbook, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!